Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What can we say? I'll tell you what we're going to say. I'm going to do another story on Humbl because it deserves it. You can't ignore it. This is February the 3rd. And am I a little giddy right now? Yeah, you bet. Why is that? Well, one of our favorite investments, in fact, I would say right now, my favorite investment, as far as things that I would encourage anyone to add to their portfolio. And if this is the first video you've seen of me, you'll look at some of the other videos that I've done on Humbl. The one I did last night noted that Humbl was opening up in 100 different countries with their ETX products. And what happened, when you see what happened right down there, Humbl up 44% today. We started off the day where at right about 49 cents. It actually went down just a little bit. But look what happened. That one peak here in the middle, artificial high, 72 cents, just for the record books there. That's the all-time high that we hit momentarily. And we went down, but what's interesting, as you see, this is about a half an hour before the end of the day, and we closed up 66 cents. 66 cents. Let me show you where we were. This is 5 days. 5 days ago, on Friday, last Friday, this is being recorded on Wednesday after the market. Last Friday, we were at 32 cents. And I know a lot of people got up, which means you're up over 100% in a couple of days. Now, what's going to happen? Well, who knows, right? I don't know. I can't tell you what's going to happen tomorrow. I'm not a day trader. This is a company worth holding. It's worth holding for the long run. And people say, well, when should I sell? Okay, I'm talking to you on the 3rd of February, 2021. At this point, I would say you might think about selling perhaps in February of 2023, 2024. Come back to me then, and I'll give you an update. This is not to be viewed, in my estimation, and it's just my opinion, not to be viewed as a penny stock. I'm going to do, I think, a follow-up story coming up here that we'll do on some of the background here, because I often say the management team's rock solid. They're operating, they're coming out with their products out of the gate in January. Here we are, early February. They're executing their plan, and they're ahead of schedule. And you see it. Now, once again, Humbl, and we're still waiting for the new ticker symbol, which will be HMBL, but it is up 44% today. And if people say, do you think this is going to go down? I don't know. I don't know if it's going to go down, but I would say I wouldn't be surprised when you go up 44% one day, when you're up over 100% in less than a week. If there's some profit taking, it may go down. Off the top of my head, maybe it goes down from 66 cents to 55 cents. Maybe it goes to 50 cents. I don't really care. I don't care if it goes down to 44 cents. I almost hope it goes down to 40 cents. Why? Because this guy will buy more, and I'd rather have a bargain. Here's what I do believe. My estimation is that this stock is about a 99.9% chance that it's going to go to $1 this year. I mean, that to me is grossly under where it's going to go. But let's just use that. Let's say we got a 99% chance that this thing goes to $1. I mean, who doesn't want to buy something, even at 66 cents, where you would pick up another 35 cents? I mean, you'd make 50% or so between now and December, let's say. I mean, I think in December it might be $3 or more. I have no idea what it'll be. But I think there's a very good chance it goes to $1. So if it falls back to 50 cents and you buy it there and it goes to $1 sometime between now and December, you'd be up 100%. What else are you going to buy that's going to give you that rate of return? You know, I hope nobody's sticking money in CDs, for God's sakes, at this point. That's where you're going to get ripped off, folks. The other update, and again, you can look at the other videos, what happened to our second favorite position, and that is forwardly. Well, here's what happened with forwardly today. And remember what I said, that Humbl was up 44%? Bang, forwardly, FORW is the ticker symbol, up 47%. You see that we started the day at about 24 cents. I bought my first position in this at about 15.7 cents. It fell down after that, but I actually purchased some more of this today at 26 cents. And folks, I own positions in this. I own positions in Humbl. So just so you know, this is not a pump and dump, but I want to be transparent here. And so you see where we ended. We ended at 32.8%. So look how it did not fall back. It came down from the 37% here at 132. I believe this is Eastern time. Yeah, that's Eastern time. And I'm in the Central time zone of America. So here you go. Look how it held that base right there. That's impressive. Low volume. You see we had all kinds of heavy volume right here in the middle. I need to get more of a pointer. So that went up 44%. Now, if you don't know, again, forwardly, you might view it as a secondary play on Humbl. I'm not going to go through the whole explanation. Again, you can look at some of the earlier videos, but basically as it goes up, or as I should say, as Humbl goes up, there's every reason to expect that forwardly would go up. It will not be one-on-one, but it will be going up. Could that go to $1 this year? Yeah, and again, let me bring that back in. We're at 32 cents. Could that go down tomorrow? Of course, every day it could go down. Every day it could go up. I have no idea where it's going to go tomorrow. But if between now and the end of the year, if that goes to $1, well, that would be a triple play. So that's something to consider. All right. The real purpose of this channel is not just to be covering Humbl, and I am not here to be pumping and pumping and pumping it because I own it. I'm excited, but look at what the market's telling you. I can't do that on my own. The market is recognizing that this is an opportunity, that we have an analog world. We're switching over financially. We're switching over digitally. They've got a product that is going to be addressing particularly issues in transactions in the second and third world countries. In fact, I got a letter from a viewer, not a letter, but a comment on one of my videos from a viewer in Sweden, which I appreciate, and it's kind of fun that we can do that in this day and age. And he said, we have something here kind of like that. And I just responded, I'm glad you do. And I appreciate the comment. And by the way, please make your comments because I love reading them, and I try to respond to everyone if there's a question, or even to give a thumbs up. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, ring the bell. But I wanted to say, as I responded to the fellow from Sweden who wrote, I said, I'm glad you have that. We have great things in the United States, but when you go to some of these second and third world nations, they don't, and that's the point. And so the short version of what Humbl would be, in case you're watching, this could be like the PayPal for the world. They're going to be doing other things. I've reviewed some of that in the earlier videos, so again, I will just repeat. Please go back and watch those. But anyway, when you're up 44%, when you're up 47%, I wanted to give you this update on Forwardly and Humbl. And I'm going to try to post another video. Hopefully I get that done before the evening's over, where I can talk about some of the other stocks and some of the other things here and there. I want to talk to you about the psychology of investing, why you want to do it, because I really want people to be watching this program also for if you've never invested. And you can see where we interviewed a new investor. I'm going to be doing more of that as well. Folks, thanks for watching. Again, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate your comments, and we look forward to talking to you again, hopefully tomorrow. Take care.